In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact support inside Artistly AI. First, log into your Artistly AI account and go to the dashboard. If you need help with anything like access issues, billing questions, or technical problems, the easiest way is to contact support directly from inside the platform. Just click this support button from your dashboard, and it will open the support section. Inside there, you can see their available support hours, days of operation, and how to reach their team. You can contact the Artistly support team directly at support@artistly.ai. When sending your message, make sure to clearly explain your issue in one email, including all the details you need help with, so they can assist you faster. Also, keep in mind that response times are usually within a few hours, but it can take up to 24 hours depending on the volume of requests. Support may also be slower on weekends and holidays. And that's it. That's how you contact Artistly support. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.